My name is Lester and I came from Hong Kong and I'm here to study illustration. I was thinking about studying further and I was trying to find school overseas to study art. I just love being around the ocean and I see that Plymouth is next to the ocean and yes, I've chosen this school. I would say the staff is very helpful, very responsive, and I would say the application is pretty smooth. If there are any difficulties on application, on a visa, or on any kind of issue, they'll be more than happy to help me, more than happy to email me. I would say the best thing about my course is that the teachers are very supportive of different ideas, different unusual ideas, and instead of questioning me, asking me, oh, why are you working on an idea like that, they're very supportive. They would give me advice on how do I work on different ideas, even the unusual, strange ones. They're able to understand and appreciate different ideas and different styles. One of the lecturers are able to basically identify, okay, oh, Lester loves using a lot of colors and that his style is very neat. And he made a point of pointing it out and very flattered. I would say Plymouth is a very relaxing and pretty chill. People here are very approachable and also very open to different cultures and different personalities. I like it here. Equipment-wise, I can see that you guys have provided a wide range of material, different kind of workshops, different kind of things I can work with. I mean, I can work with glass, I can work with wood, I can work with different materials, which is awesome, absolutely awesome. And I'm actually hoping to apply for a glass workshop. Never tried that before, and it will be exciting since I'm here, I got a chance then, so why not? I've actually used the student support. I was kind of going through a little tough time, and people there are emotionally supportive, they're very helpful and understanding. But I was just walked in, I don't know what to say, I just asked, can I talk to you, do you have time? And she's willing to make time for me, willing to make arrangements for me. That was very helpful. Originally I was from Hong Kong, but I decided to study abroad, especially here in Europe, because Europe is a very artistic place, and the culture is very rich, and I would say you guys also welcome different ideas, and also you guys are more open-minded. It's a far better place to study art.